Nice job. Now, right, Mashulo and
Yes.
everybody, do you see this critical level 410.43?
Yep. Yep.
That's where I'm moving out. Can you tell me why, Mashulo?
I'm looking at the previous.
Everybody, can you tell me why I would now collect on my put here? Talk to me fast.
Triple bottom.
First.
It's a double
Stood it
bottom here. Yep.
Oh, okay. Resist, it hits
And
the
then your
bottom.
Support.
EWO candles.
That's big support. Double bottom right here. Bang, bang. I collect my profit. And where, if I'm looking for an entry, Mashulo, on a put again to the downside, what am I entering at?
Below
Double
the
bottom. What's the double
resistance.
bottom price?
Below 410.80. Is that
43. 410.43.
43? Okay.
And
Got it.
why is that?
Because it's gonna break that resistance.
And why is that so important?
Because if it breaks that resistance,
Support.
the drain opens up and it's
That's
gone.
right. And that's support. Remember, support's on the bottom like
Right,
support
the
beams,
support is
right?
gone.
Does everybody see why I'm talking about that like that?
Yes, sir.
So this is support. If it can break, boom, it's to the downside. If it can't, we call that a double bottom and it rides it back up. But I collect my profit here, which is, by the way, it went up here. And again, if it breaks down here, re-enter on that scalp, ride it more. But I've guaranteed locked in my profit from 411.88 all the way down to 410.42, and I'm waiting for my next moves. Everybody see it? And that's how
Coach,
you
do
play
you
that.
trade like this every day?
Every day. We do it every day in here.
45% on that professional masterclass scalp. Thank you,
Nice
Coach.
job. Nice job.